firstly you can see the heart functions as a pump at the center of the circulatory system. It's all about the heart and how it functions, how the circulatory system works. In humans it is located, then it's the location, it's near the chest cavity between the lungs and bit to a left. That the heart consists of 4 chambers and surrounded by a strong muscular wall, the myocardium. It's the wall of the heart, myocardium. The upper chambers, the right and the left. Suppose this is a heart and these are the 2 upper chambers. One is right atria and another one is left atria. Okay, options are transfer, receive, lower, repel. Transfer means to change the position of something, that is transfer. Okay, receive is to take, that is to take something. Transfer is to means send it to another position. Lower means to lower down the level or decrease in the level of something. Repel is like it's opposite of attract. Repel, to pull something away. Okay, here the upper chambers, the right and the left atria dash the blood entering the heart. Now they are talking about the upper chambers. Upper chambers will definitely means you can also imagine that the blood from the blood vessels will fall into, means it will be received by something. So the answer will be receive. Means these 2 upper chambers receive the blood entering the heart, and the lower chambers, the right and the left ventricle, pump the blood out of the heart. Pump means to expel something with the force. Right and left ventricles, they will pump the blood out of the heart with the help of these both, okay, systems. Then they told that the 2 systems work as, it is commonly used, the 2 systems work as follows. Okay, the blood from the body enters the right atrium. After this the blood transfers from the body to the right atrium, it's another chamber. Okay, dash is passed into the right ventricle and from there is propelled through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Means, okay, you can see is propelled, then here you can also guess it is passed. And in the passive sentence you have to use is or are followed by verb third form. Okay, is or are followed by verb third form. And for all the life processes always simple present tense is used, and is always used with the uncountable noun or with the singular. Okay, here is the blood is uncountable, and so here it is followed by the is. You can also guess from the sentence passed into the right, and after and the sentence structure is always same. From there is propelled through the pulmonary artery to the lung. In the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs oxygen, and is then answers options: transporter, discharge, dissolved, multiplied. Multiply is to make the copies of something. Dissolved is to dissolve in something of something. Discharge, its meaning is to release. It is a release of a substance. Transported, to carry it from one place to another. Okay. Now in the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs oxygen. Okay, and is then dashed back to the heart into the left atrium. Now they are talking about the blood. When it releases the carbon dioxide or and oxygen, then it's all about the circulation. Circulation is all about the transportation of something. Why the oxygen means it's transported. Okay, so this is the answer. So let's